If I were to describe what I do, it's that I help you see the light in yourself. And one of the ways I do this is by seeing the wholeness that is in you right now. Not tomorrow when you've earned it, not when you finish that project, not when you finally kick that bad habit, and not when you stop feeling badly about yourself, but right now. My own journey is one of utter and complete self-doubt, mind-numbing overthinking, and feeling caged and trapped in my own world to the point that the everyday paralysis I experienced was just another day to have to endure the cruelness and hatred that I had learned to target my own self with. I am here to reassure you and inspire you that there is more to life than where you find yourself and what you are feeling right now. Although, let's start there. Did you know that there is nothing wrong with feeling what you are feeling? But sometimes, and maybe even most times, I get the sense that you think you shouldn't be feeling what you are feeling. And can I just point out how silly that actually sounds when you say it out loud? You shouldn't be feeling what you are feeling. And yet, here we are, feeling these things. It seems like most of the work you have put in is to try and get yourself not to feel these things. But can I just ask, where has this gotten you so far? Do you feel that you have significantly resolved the feelings that you have been feeling? Or do you feel like you have been looping in the same kind of ruminations, the same kind of core issues that you feel you've been having for many years? I just want to point out to you that you are not anything that you need to be running from. Let me make that abundantly clear. Whatever is inside of you is valid, worthwhile, and more importantly, it deserves to be seen. No, actually, it needs to be seen. Whether you believe this or not, this is actually not up for debate. You need to be seen. And everything that you feel inside of you, whether you like it or not, deserves to also be seen. The shame that you have about what you are feeling is actually not about you at all. That shame was given to you by someone else. It is not yours to hold any longer. But there are likely many reasons why you are having a hard time feeling what you are even feeling, let alone trying to express it. We'll get into that at a later point, but for now, I want you to ponder this. If you didn't have to fix it or make sense of it right now, what is it that you are really feeling inside? Feel for the sole purpose of accepting what is there, not to understand if it is something right or wrong about you. In other words, receive what you are experiencing with open arms and full acceptance. What we are trying to do here, and really the goal of meeting yourself here today, is to not turn any part of yourself away from yourself. But we'll get into that more at a later point. Until then, this is just a reminder to keep exploring what is inside of you and allowing more and more of yourself to step forward, because the world needs you just the way you are.